In this video, we are going to see how we can video reply to a TikTok comment easily on the TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just move to your profile from the bottom right hand corner. And let's say someone has commented on your particular video with a comment and you want to reply to that comment with a video. So you just hold on to that comment and you can click on reply with a video. So you click on that and now you should be able to see your video, click on and now we can send it. Click on next and we are replying to the current post. Click next and now the video reply is posted. So as you can see, if we click on view the reply is made with a video. So that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.